And we've been seeing more and more interest from people in North America in investing in the company. So we decided to make it easy for them. As an AIM listed company, people could buy shares, but it's quite convoluted. With the OTC listing, anyone can buy shares in Challenger virtually via an app on their phone, if that's what they want to do.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Eytan Uliel. He is the CEO of Challenger Energy Group. And Eytan, great to see you. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so I know the company's trading on the OTCQB market. Congratulations on that. And we'll talk more about that in just a second. But first, maybe give everyone a little background on the company.
Well, for those who don't know Challenger Energy, we are a UK company listed on the AIM in London, but now also listed, as you mentioned, on the OTCQB. We are in the oil and gas exploration business, specializing in the Atlantic margin, in the frontier basins of the Atlantic margin. And right at the moment, our entire business focus is on offshore exploration in Uruguay, which has become one of the really emerging global exploration hotspots. And we've got a very exciting position there, and our entire business is focused on, taking those projects forward as fast as we can and deriving value from them.
Yeah, and what sort of stage are you at with that?
Well, we have two licenses. One is called OFF1, one is called OFF3. The OFF1 license, we've completed an initial technical work program, and we farmed that license out. So we did a partnership agreement with Chevron, obviously a well-known household name, who've taken a 60% interest in the project alongside us and are driving that forward now with a very big work program planned for the rest of this year and into next year. And we have a second license, OFF3. There we are still 100%. We're right in the middle of a very comprehensive technical work program on that, which we expect to finish middle of this year. And then similar to the first block, we're going to look for a partner. We're going to run a process and see if we can find someone of the caliber of Chevron to be our partner on that block. This is in the context of Uruguay being now 100% licensed. So there are no available licenses in Uruguay. All other licenses are taken out by majors, by Shell, Apache, YPF, etc. We are the only junior company with a big position there in what's become a very exciting frontier energy province.
So obviously you're starting to garner some interest, I would think, from North America and specifically the United States. Is that the reason behind the OTCQB listing?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the logic here, this is our projects are in Latin America, in Uruguay. The investor base who understand oil and gas are in North America. All of the service companies are in Houston. There's a very developed market, investor universe, etc. And we've been seeing more and more interest from people in North America in investing in the company. So we decided to make it easy for them. As an AIM listed company, people could buy shares, but it's quite convoluted. With the OTC listing, anyone can buy shares in Challenger virtually via an app on their phone, if that's what they want to do.
Yeah. So it's BHSPF is the ticker symbol on the OTC. Are you looking at potentially getting some boots on the ground in the United States as well to help bring the company more awareness now that you're trading there?
Well, boots on the ground in terms of a permanent presence, no, but I'm actually right as we speak at an investor conference in the US. I've been meeting with, anyone who wants to meet with me, I'll meet with them. We're doing a few road shows in Canada, in North America over the next year. It's a big push for us to really engage with the market. We have a very good following in the UK. We have some great shareholders. What I would call smart money in the industry have backed us. Investment funds who understand oil and gas. But this is a bit of a push for us over the next 6 months to really engage with people in North America.
Well, it's going to be an exciting one for sure. Eytan, thanks so much. Great to see you, and congratulations on the success. And we look forward to our next conversation. Okay.
Terrific. Thanks.
All right. There's Eytan Uliel. He is the CEO of the Challenger Energy Group.